10 animals that exist only in Africa. The African continent is one of the less explored continents in the world. The African continent supports a rich wildlife across its deserts, savannas, huge valleys, and forests. Every continent on Earth is home to creatures that can only be found there and nowhere else. Africa is definitely no exception. Africa is home to the largest land animal, the African elephant, and the tallest animal, the giraffe, in the world. But there are many other cool African animals that exist only in Africa. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 10 animals that exist only in Africa. If you're new here, consider subscribing so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Number 1. Lemur. There are 30 different species of lemur, and they are mostly found on the east coast of South Africa. The lemur are mostly arboreal, which means they will spend most of the time on the trees. Lemurs' unique feature is that their tail is longer than the body. Lemurs are social animals and live in groups. Lemur use high-pitched calls and scent markings to communicate with each other. They have an excellent sense of hearing and smell. Lemurs are only one of the most intelligent animals in the world, with the ability to learn patterns and using the different forest tools efficiently. They like eating fruits, nuts, leaves, and flowers. Number 2. Mandrill. Mandrills are the largest species of monkeys in the world. They have a body length between 25 to 34 inches and weigh up to 38 kg. Mandrills live in rainforest and subtropical forest of Western Central Africa. They are also one of the most colorful and strange animals in the world. They have unique blue-colored rumps. Mandrills are extremely social animals, and they live in large groups that contain up to 200 members. They are most active during the daytime and have pouches to store the food they collect during the daytime. They are omnivorous and feed on fruits, seeds, insects, eggs, and worms. Number 3. Wildebeest. The bull-like looking wildebeest actually belonged to the family of antelopes. There are 2 different species of antelopes in the world, black wildebeest and blue wildebeest. Both species of wildebeest are only found in Africa. They inhabit in open woodlands and green plains. Wildebeest have unique horns on their head. A wildebeest can cover over 30 miles in a day. During migration, they travel between 600 to 1,000 miles. Wildebeest are grazers and they mainly feed on short grass. Number 4. Grey-crowned crane. They are large birds with a height of 1 meter that are found in rivers and marshes of eastern and southern Africa. Their unique feature is the golden feathers. The attractive bright red pouch is very beautiful. Grey-crowned crane usually dance and jump in order to attract the mate. With 2 to 5 eggs per nest, the grey-crowned cranes produce largest average clutch than most of other birds in the crane family called Grayday. Grey-crowned crane is an omnivorous bird that feed on insects, lizards, grasses, seeds, fishes, and amphibians. Number 5. Greater kudu. Greater kudu is an amazing antelope that is a native to eastern and southern Africa. They inhabit in savanna woodlands and rocky hillsides. Greater kudus are one of the longest horned antelopes in the world. The impressively twisted horns only found in male kudus. Their horns can grow over a length of 1 meter with 2.5 twists. Greater kudus also use these horns for the defensive purpose against the predators. The female kudus is usually smaller than the male. The female kudus is usually found in groups, and male kudus only appear in groups at the time of mating season. Number 6. Ostrich. Ostriches are the heaviest and largest living birds among all the bird species in the world. They are mostly found in desert lands of Central and Southern Africa. They are also known as camel birds because they can accommodate in high temperature and also without water for a long period of time. Ostriches live in small herds that contain 10 to 12 members. At 15 centimeters in length, ostriches lay the largest eggs in the world. Ostriches are omnivorous and they feed on leaves, roots, seeds, lizards, insects, and snakes. They also swallow pebbles and small stones to grind up the food in stomach. Number 7. Okapi. Okapi is the only remaining relative of giraffe in the world. They are only found in rainforest of the Republic of Congo. The most prominent feature of okapis are the striped markings on their behinds that give them a zebra-like appearance. Okapi is also one of the most endangered and strange animals of Africa. The hunting of the okapi and also the habitat loss is one of the main reasons for the declining population. Okapi have a unique long tongue that can reach up to a length of 18 inches and also helps them to strip the leaves from the plants. Okapis often travel 0.8 to 2.5 miles per day in searching for food. They have scent glands on each foot which produce a tar-like secretion. They use it to mark their territory and to communicate with each other while going for long distances in search for food. Number 8. Galago. Galago is also called bush babies and usually found in bushlands and woodlands of East Africa. They have a unique fur which is brown or grey in color. They spend most of their time on trees. Number 9. Shoebill. The shoebill is one of the most strange looking birds in the world. They are named after their enormous shoe-like bill which can grow up to a length of 9 inches. This amazing bird can be only found in the swamps and marshes of Eastern Africa. They are also one of the endangered species which is likely to disappear in the near future. The main reason for the decline in population is hunting and habitat loss. Shoebills are ambush predators, which means they remain motionless until the prey approach them. They make the sudden attack on them using their powerful bill. The diet of shoebills mainly consists of lizards, turtles, water snakes, and rats. The large shoebills possess a maximum flap rate of 150 flaps per minute, one of the slowest among the species of birds. Shoebill is one of the most solitary birds in the world. They come together only to breed. Number 10. Mantled Gireza. Mantled Gireza are one of the most attractive African monkeys. They have a unique black and white fur that looks beautiful. They are also called Gireza or black and white colobus. They are usually found in evergreen forests of West Central and East Africa. They are mostly found in small groups. The mantled Gireza spends most of the time on trees and is most active during the daytime. They have a multi-chambered stomach which helps them to digest a lot of foods. They love to eat leaves, seeds, fruits, and arthropods. You enjoyed this video, didn't you? We would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.